You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Today we're jumping straight into the latest in AI, trying to cut through some of the hype around things like GPT-5. We really just want to pull out the essential stuff you need to know.
Yeah, things are moving so incredibly fast, aren't they? It's crucial to sort of like distill what actually matters and what these big steps forward really mean for, for you using this tech every day.
Exactly. So let's kick off with the big news. GPT-5 is officially out. It's available now for all ChatGPT users, which is pretty major. What's the first thing that really grabbed your attention with this release? Anything truly surprising?
Well, yeah, actually, one detail, maybe easy to miss, is the API pricing.
The pricing, okay.
Yeah, it's incredibly aggressive. I mean, they're undercutting some competitors by like up to 12 times.
12 times. Wow.
Right. And the key thing here isn't just, oh, it's cheaper. It's that this really democratizes access to top-tier AI. Suddenly, smaller teams, indie devs, even hobbyists, they can afford this cutting-edge stuff that could really spark a wave of new ideas, things that were just too expensive before.
That's a really interesting angle, the accessibility. Okay, but let's shift to something else our sources highlighted as, well, pretty surprising. It's coding power. They use this phrase like, GPT-5 marks a stone age for AI, because it genuinely thinks with tools. What does that even mean?
It means it's, well, pretty much the best coding model we've seen, hands down. For developers, this is huge. It apparently one-shotted dependency conflicts, those awful software clashes that can stop projects cold, things that other models just couldn't fix.
Look, I know those headaches.
Exactly. And it can supposedly create like entire production-ready websites, database and all, in one go. That jump you mentioned from roughly 65% to 72% in software automation, that 7% is a big leap. It frees up developers for the harder problems.
That sounds almost, well, revolutionary for coding. Any catches? Any surprising weaknesses given all that power?
It's funny you ask. While it's a beast at coding, the sources point out a weird paradox. It's creative writing. Apparently, it's actually gotten worse. Often churns out what they bluntly called LinkedIn slop.
LinkedIn slop, seriously.
Yeah, kind of ironic, isn't it? Builds complex software, but struggles to write a decent social media post. It just shows. Even these advanced models have very specific strengths and maybe some surprising blind spots.
That is quite a twist. Okay, so with this kind of power, especially in coding, the safety question looms large, right? How are we making sure these super capable models stay, well, responsible?
Absolutely critical question. So METR, they're an independent safety evaluator. They actually checked GPT-5 before release. Their finding was that it does not have the prerequisite capabilities to pose catastrophic risk, and apparently by quite a margin, which is reassuring.
Okay, that's good to hear.
And there's also new tech, like something called safe completions. It uses training parameters to make the models helpful, but also safer, even if you give them tricky prompts, dual-use ones. Plus, there's been a breakthrough in curating training data. They've managed a huge reduction, like 10,000 times fewer examples needed for fine-tuning.
10,000 times?
Yeah, down from maybe 100,000 examples to under 500. And it actually improves how well the model aligns with what human experts want by up to 65%. So making safer AI is getting more efficient, too.
Right, so progress on multiple fronts there. And beyond just GPT-5, the whole AI space keeps bubbling. We're seeing new tools pop up, right? Like Cursor CLI, bringing AI coding help right into the terminal. And open source options like Octo lets you switch models easily, and they say zero telemetry, no data snooping.
Yeah, lots happening. And it's always worth remembering, these LLMs don't think like we do. Every single word, every token, it's just picking the next most likely thing from this huge space of possibilities, sort of like super advanced autocomplete. Oh, and a fun tidbit, OpenAI's newer model, O3. It apparently wiped the floor with X's Grok 4 in a big AI chess tournament.
Oh, really? Chess?
Yeah, Grok apparently really struggled in the endgame. Shows O3 might have a better grasp of that kind of strategic reasoning, even based on probabilities.
Interesting. And we should probably give a quick mention to Anthropic, too. They're making moves, opening an office in Tokyo, and seem to be quietly attracting really top researchers by focusing hard on safety and quality. Definitely one to watch. So quite a tour there. We've covered GPT-5's amazing coding, its less amazing writing, some really important safety steps, and the growing toolkit for developers.
Yeah, the big picture seems to be AI is getting incredibly powerful really fast. Understanding where it excels, where it falls short, and how safety is being built, and that's becoming super important. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? With these capabilities, what new doors are opening up for how you might use this tech?
Spoken Tech for your ears.